Hi guys, welcome all of you in my YouTube channel, The Student Planet and Design Hub. In this video, I'm explaining some other commands uh, while I am continuous uploading my videos in the NX modeling commands, but I will explain in this video some drafting commands due to the some suggestion, okay, some query. So in this video, I'm just explaining how to show hidden edges. That's a very easy thing, okay, I think everyone know, but I will show how to show the hidden edges, and then so explain how to show the only required hidden edges, okay, only required hidden edges. After that I will show you by mistake, if you have deleted your hidden lines, then how to get back. Suppose that you have deleted that lines and saved your model, okay. After some time you have remembered that I couldn't I should not delete that line, okay. So you want to get back it. So today in this tutorial I will show you how you can uh, correct that mistake, okay. You cannot get back it, but I will show you the way how you can get that lines, okay. So let's start. This is a very important and very important lecture, okay. So first of all, suppose that I go to back, okay. I have this model, okay, and I want to show first thing I am explaining three things in this video. First, how to show the hidden edges, and second, how to show the only required hidden edges, and third thing, if suppose that you have deleted some hidden lines which you have required in future, then how you can get back, okay. Third thing is this, and the third thing is most important thing, okay. So please watch this video very carefully. Just go to the setting, okay, and select this, go to the hidden lines and select this dashed line, okay. Only check here self hidden, okay. I will show you. Only check this box self hidden, okay, and there is no need to active the other boxes, okay. You can see here the hidden lines are showing in this, okay. Suppose that I want to keep these, first thing is completed, how to show the hidden edges, okay. Suppose the second thing, suppose that I want to show only some edges, then how I can show only that edges which I need. Just go to the view dependent edit, right click, okay. You have to right click at your border line, okay, and then view dependent edit, and second one in first row in add edits, okay. Second in edit entire object and keep it in dashed line, okay. Take care, line font should be changed to dashed line, okay. After that apply, and select here filter curve, filter only the curve, so that you can easily select the lines, and no face will be selected and other things, okay. So just need to select the curves, okay. Now need to select lines which you want to keep, okay. Suppose that I want to keep these lines, okay. Suppose that this one I want these lines to keep only, so just select them and click ok, and then ok. Now what should you do? Just go to the settings and hidden lines, then check this box, show referenced edge only, so check this box. After that just click ok. Now you can see only the required lines are visible at this time, and other all hidden lines has been removed from this view, okay. So this is the way how I can show the references only which I want to keep, okay. So this is the second thing, and third thing is very most important thing. Suppose that I just get back it and okay, suppose that I have deleted some lines by fault, view dependent edit. How to delete anything in your view? You cannot delete this like this. Okay, suppose that if you delete like this, then your model will be deleted. Okay, so how to delete? Just right click at your boundary of the view and view dependent edit. After that, click on the first one, erase object. Now select the curves and just select the things which you want to delete. Okay, suppose that I want to delete this one. I'm just selecting that things which I have selected in previous time, so you can understand. Okay, suppose that I have selected these lines. You can see these lines has been removed. Okay, and other hidden edges are showing. Suppose that I need when I get back, go back to setting and check the show reference line. No line will be appear here. Okay, just go to the settings and make it individual. Now what you should to do, just click on the view dependent edit, entire object, and keep this original, apply. Now you have to select all, check at on the select all column. Okay, I hope it should. Just click OK, go to the settings. Sorry, you don't need to individual, make it task line and check on this. Okay, now you can see here the lines are showing which I have deleted. Okay, you are able to see. Okay, now these lines are visible, but the thing is that when I click on the view boundary dependent, select this one dashed. Okay, and click apply. Second thing is curve. Okay, now select the lines which you want to keep. Suppose that these lines. Okay, click OK, click OK, and now go to the setting, view dependent, setting, and now show the references. Okay, now you can say okay, I have recovered these lines, get back. Okay, so this is the way, first way. Otherwise, suppose that you are unable to face these lines like that, then just click entire object and select here dashed. Okay, after that click apply, go to the okay, don't need to filter, just select all, need to select all and click OK. Now you can see your all model is showing in dashed line. Okay, when you delete that reference line, hidden lines, and want to get back it after saving, after some time in future. Okay, so this is the way, very important thing, you have to remember this. Okay, just now you are seeing that your main lines also in dashed lines. Okay, continue, not in continuous line. So the way is that you just need to do some more thing, that is, I hope this is the time consuming process, but to get back that lines you have to do this. Okay, suppose that I have selected this okay, this one and this one. Sorry, I need to do something others. So select here and sorry, okay, continuous, you have to put line font in continuous, and after that apply, and just need to select the curves. After that the lines which you want to select as a continuous line, you need to select them all. Okay, I think this is the time consuming process, but if you have done your mistake by fault, you have deleted your reference line and want to show again after some time in the future, then you have to do like this. Okay, suppose that I have only selected these lines, I'm just showing you, click OK. Now you can see your selected lines in continuous. Okay, now how you can show your the hidden lines which you need. While at this time these lines are not cannot be seen by the activating hidden lines. Means suppose that you go to the hidden line setting and hidden lines, and you keep the dashed lines show references, but yet all lines are showing. Okay, all lines are showing. And if you select the references, then also all lines are showing. You can see here I have checked this box, but uh, not only the reference line but all hidden lines are showing. So what is the way how you can show your reference lines only which you want to keep? Okay, just go to the edit entire one and select here invisible. Okay, and then apply, and then need to curve. Okay, uh, which lines you want to keep? Instead of that line, select all lines which you want to remove. Okay, suppose that I want to remove these lines. Suppose that just select this, select these lines which I don't need to keep. Okay, you need to give the some time for this process, I know, but you have to do like this. Okay, if I will find any other way, simple way, then I will also explain in my next video, but at this time I have this concept only. So I am showing you I have shown you two methods how you can get back the deleted lines. Okay, deleted hidden lines. Okay, so I have shown you two methods here. So please keep this video very carefully, and sorry, watch this video very carefully and keep attention on that. Okay, so just need to okay, and now okay, you can see the lines which I have selected, that lines are disappeared from here. So in this way you can keep your required lines. Okay, so this is the way how you can keep the deleted hidden lines in the future you can show. Okay, so in this video only here up to here, this is a very good video. I hope this is very useful for you when you are working in any firm. Okay, so if you like this, then please hit the like button, and comment in the comment section if you have any suggestion, any appreciation, then please comment, because your appreciation is most important for me to boost me. Okay, so okay, bye bye, take care yourself, your family, your neighbors. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.